Shaymin, are you back here? Oh, there he is. He's in here somewhere. Oh, there he is! I don't know exactly how I'm going to catch this thing. Let's take a look at our team real quick. Who would be best to lead off with? Because Shaymin is grass. I mean, I guess Peapod wouldn't be so bad. Yeah, let's just... Nice, not very effective move. Ha! Look at how beautiful it is here. Quick, Flare Blitz! Stockmore repels. Oh my gosh, look how cute Shaymin is. It's so cute. Hi, Terror. So cute. I can't even help myself. I'm usually not like this. It's just... Level 30! What? I thought this was going to be level like 70. No shiny, yep. Let's just try a quick ball. We are a god! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Now that's how you catch the son of a gun right there. Doesn't that have a high catch rate? I thought that thing was pretty hard to catch. Yeah! We got cute little Shaymin! Wow. Cute. A calm nature. That's probably pretty good for it, honestly. Whee! To the box. See ya. Into the box with you, layman. Was it? What? Wasn't that supposed to be hard to catch?